Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Bluefish editor. To install it, run the following command. Launch Bluefish editor. Once the installation is complete, you can launch it from the application menu or by running the following command in the terminal. Now you can start using Bluefish editor in your ways. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.